What's up, beautiful people? This is a CryptoWolf. Welcome back to my channel. I have been away for almost more than a month because I had some mental problems because I lost a lot of money. And with mental problems, I want to share this with everyone. And today I'm gonna talk about my comeback, and my comeback is gonna be bigger than ever. And my comeback will be together with all the people of the YouTube community who are interested and who want to grind with me together and bring out some very good things to start building wealth. I lost a lot. I was very broke born. I never had real money in my life. I was very lucky to get into crypto in the 2020 COVID start of the pandemic, and I bought at a very cheap prices in a lot of projects and a lot of altcoins. So what happened for me is very simple. I started investing. I never knew what it was. I just worked my whole life. I was doing construction work, very tough work, and I was saving everything I could save. And I did some things here and there on the side to get some money to have a decent life. I needed to do everything on myself. I'm not going to explain my full story, but if people are interested in this, I can share this. I can also come onto YouTube with my face, but I'm gonna let the community decide that. For now, in my opinion, it's not necessary. It's not gonna bring you more. I'm here to really share valuable things and help you away in life. I'm 25 years old right now, and I want to share as much as possible with everyone so that you can see and learn from my mistakes and from my life lessons. So I hope, first of all, that everyone is glad that I'm back on track, and this will be the biggest comeback ever, and I will take everyone with me. So I hope you're excited. If you're excited, let me know in the comments. Type some fire. Let's go. So first of all, I'm going to explain what happened. I lost over more than 40,000 euro in the Luna crash on 10 May. As we can see, if we go take a look at Terra Luna, this is the original Terra Luna that's now called Terra Luna Classic, LUNC. So now if we go to the downside, you will see on May the 10th, exactly it was 8 May that the dump started, and it ended at 11 May, 10 May, and we were at one of the lowest points at that time. So you can see it took 2 years to build this. If you can see from here, it took more than 2 years to build this, and in 4 days everything is gone. So first of all, the first lesson that we see here, what is that? Watch out. If you make profits, make sure to cash them out and do not be silly talking to yourself. I have a generational bottom bought in. I have one of the lowest points. The chance that it come back to that price even when we hit a bear market of min 90%, it's not gonna happen. Fool me once but not fool me twice, and I hope you will not do the same for yourself. Because if you can see from the all-time high, if we do minus 95%, we have $10 left. If we see the price of today, $10 is far away. So even for the people who bought Luna at like 80 cents, $5, they thought in themselves, why would I ever sell? I can just stake it for 5 to 6% a year interest on my altcoin because I bought it at the lowest price possible. It's never gonna come back here. If this stayed healthy and it dropped min 99%, you would still see this at $2. So for the people who bought at 80 cents, would still be in a 3x profit. So this is the reason why a lot of billionaires, millionaires, venture capitalists, people with a lot of money also didn't sell their Luna at this price, because they thought, I'm in it for the long run. I can wait a couple more years to see more exposure, more growth. People get greedy, so don't do that. That's the first thing I want to say to everyone. Don't make that mistake. Put that in your head. This is the biggest lesson I learned by losing a lot of money. The second thing that happened, we had Anchor. I will show you right away. And Anchor gives us almost 20% yearly interest on our money. This was in the stablecoin UST. This is from the Terra Luna ecosystem. This is the stablecoin right now, guys. It was at $1. It should be stable. Now it's at 3 cents. As you can see, at the same time, it dumped hard. And me, as a dumb fuck, I saw it at 77 cents, 80 cents, and I was like, oh, I'm gonna wait a bit until it's gonna retrace back to $1, and then I will get out because I'm a bit scared now. But what happened? It just kept dumping and my money was gone. This is also one of the biggest mistakes that I have made. Once I saw this depegging, I should have understand, like 20% drop or pump on a stable coin? Bro, that's asking for problems. So I should have gone out, but I didn't. So this is what I want to share to everyone. If you are in a stable coin, doesn't matter which stable coin. The markets are not regulated, so you can never know what's gonna happen. Nobody knows if Tether is backed, yes or no. I'm talking about USDT. So keep that in mind. If you ever see USDT dropping like UST did, please get out as soon as possible. Doesn't matter what happens, even if you sell at a loss of min 5, 10%, doesn't matter if it comes back and you lost. You better lose that than lose the full amount, because a lot of people have big money into stable coins because we think it's stable. It's like a dollar, digital dollar. So I had almost all the profits that I had made. I had almost all my profits locked up in UST. I even asked my dad money. So stupid that I was. I asked him money to put it in UST so he could save. He was always complaining, oh, I don't have money on the bank, I cannot save it. Why do we even save our money? It doesn't bring us anything, this and that. So I was so helpful after almost 6, 7, 8 months using this ecosystem. I was so excited about it that I said, why dad, give me money, I will change it to UST and we will earn 20% yearly. As you can see at this point it's 16%, but it was 20% back in the day. So my dad agreed, he trusted me, gave me the money, and now I lost that also. I'm in a big debt. I'm gonna say it like this. I also had another trading platform. It's not really a platform, but an exchange, let's say, where we can loan. Everybody will know it, Nexo. That I had back in the day. This is the only thing that I had, 15K. I just lost my job 4 months ago, 3 months ago. I got I think when I got fired, I got 4 or 5K to survive the first 3 months. I couldn't work, I couldn't do anything. So I was just at home and I had a stable monthly income, like a dropout bonus, because I worked there 2 years and I was living off that money and I just went all in. I was like, fuck it, man, I need to become a millionaire. I need to become financial free. I'm tired of this life. I really want to get out. So I went all in. Man, that was a really bumpy ride. I had some ups, I had some downs, I took some losses. I lost a seed phrase of... I'm in so many things. That's why I can share a lot of things on YouTube. I'm in almost every platform, almost every wallet. I know a lot of things about crypto and I have used, lost, win, a lot of things in crypto. So this is why I'm going to share a lot of things in the future time. So stay tuned to this channel, and if you appreciate the honesty and the story that I'm telling, please subscribe to my channel. And let us become a community together that can build for the future, for the new generations, for our own generations, and even for the older generations that don't know from these opportunities. Because if I say to my dad all the opportunities that's going on now, he doesn't understand it. He's very skeptic because in his time it was not there. So for all the people who are now going into this digital time, I want to share these losses. I also want to share with the people what is my coming strategy and what's going to be my journey on YouTube. So make sure to stay tuned on this channel and follow me around, because I will be dropping some big things. That's a promise that I make. I have pulled myself out of the dirt multiple times in my life, but this time was very tough because I feel the urge like I'm getting older. I'm getting 26, I need to be something, I need to be a man, and I need to stand my ground. Let me know in the comments if you think the same about this, or if you have a different view on this or on life. Let me know. I really want to talk with people and listen to your view on things so I can learn also from you guys. I hope someone comments and we can have a decent talk. I appreciate you for listening, subscribing, and watching this channel. And every 500 subscribers there, that didn't unsubscribe me because I didn't post for 1 month, I'm very grateful for that. Thank you, and I will not disappoint you. I promise you that. If there are any specific questions about how I survived this period, about losing more than 40,000 euro, just let me know in the comments and I will make a short about it, or I don't know what, just to answer your question. Also, the Discord is coming up, the Patreon group is coming up, trading sessions is coming up, making ways to make money online is gonna come on this channel, tutorials, crypto related. Also, if it's not with crypto, but we can make money with it online and it's not that hard and there's not that much to invest, I will share this on the channel so we as a community can make some money online and secure our future, that from our friends, our family, and everyone we appreciate as human beings. So I appreciate all of you and I hope you appreciate me. Now let's get into the details of today. As you can see, I still have 4,000 USD that I could cash out, but I didn't do because I was stupid and I was stubborn to do it. And I was living on hopium, thinking, I know I'm gonna survive this. Well, that didn't work out very well. So I want to say to everyone, watch out with that, please. Just act on the moment itself, because that's the only opportunity we have. Once the time is gone, you can never go back. Do you know how many times that I said from the day it happened, oh, I wish I could do back. I wish I had cashed out. I wish I had cashed out at the top. I wish I had cashed out that. I wish I had prevented that. Man, stop wishing, because you can nothing do about it. Nothing for real. And it's a really fucked up feeling. So I would like to say to everyone, if you have a chance, there is an opportunity in life, whatever it is, please take advantage. Please do something. Not just sit there and watch, because before you know, it's gone and it will never come back, that opportunity. So I had the opportunity to cash out at the top and have a lifetime of money that I would make if I maybe work 15 years and save money. So yeah, it is insane to go through this. I go through this alone also. Not going to share too much details about that, but if people are interested in that and would like to know that and maybe it can help them, just let me know and I will do everything I can to connect with you people. All right. What I also want to share is, if you are struggling, if you are feeling bad, if you bought the top in crypto and altcoins, if you have lost a lot of money in Luna, also like me, in USD, whatever it is, whatever you lost a lot of money on, and you are feeling very sad, very depressed, whatever it is, just let it know in the comments. I will reach out to you and we will have a talk. All right, this is not the end of the world. That's something that I have learned myself also. As long as you can breathe, you're healthy and you're fine and your family's fine and whatever it is, you should not let this kill you mentally or physically. Let me know in the comments if you agree with this, yes or no. And what are your thoughts on this? I would like to know. This is my comeback video and I will make a lot more videos. Stay tuned! So for now, for today, I will share 2 things that I'm now doing to make some money back online. And I want to share this link also from Bybit, because I'm now trading on Bybit. It's a very good exchange. You get a lot of rewards. I already had like $30 rewards just by opening a trade on the derivatives, on the spot. And we also have copy trading right here. I'm going to show you this in a minute. But first of all, I'm going to talk about the market, because I think a lot of people want to put the stress away and have some more confidence in what is the market now going to do. So as you can see right here, I opened a long position with a 10x leverage. You can see right away my entry price is at, come on, stay quiet, all right. My entry price is at 28,850. It's not the best entry, all right, but it's a better entry than right here. I put a long position. You will say I'm crazy, we are going down. Yes, I'm also thinking that we are going down, but I just have a feeling that before we hit Wednesday, that we could have a pump. If we do not dump today, I think there could be a pump tomorrow and Wednesday a dump. I'm not sure. This is just on my own fundamental basis and how I watch the market and price action in the market. But I will show you this on the charts right now, what I'm looking at. You also have to know I'm going to close this one at 21,000. So as you can see, to add a stop loss, we click right here on add stop loss 21,000. And if I do that, I will lose $18, let's say $19. I have put in $50 for this long, and if it hits my stop loss, this will be a loss of 18,000. My take profit was 24,000. To make sure to hit it, I was looking at, I'm first going to confirm the stop loss. All right, as you can see right here, we hit this point, and this was the local top for now, 24,200. But I'm looking at this top now to get touched again. But there is a big probability it will not be touched. As you can see, we also have a wick here that it touched it and we went down below. So the first thing that I'm looking at right now is that it would come down back to 21,000. But I'm taking a risk because I'm not trusting the markets. It's at this point, it's very hard to say which direction we are going to go. It's a bit choppy market. So what I did is just do the opposite and look for a long position. But we will see what happens. Also, if my long position will get a bit more in profit, I will put my stop loss in profit, and this will be a risk-free trade. So no stress about that. And also I have my stop loss in, so I know what my loss is going to be, whatever price it hits down. So I'm going to put in this at 23,500. This is not a very good risk to reward. This is a risk reward of 1 on 2. This means I can risk 2 trades, win 1 and be break even. So for now, I'm just going to do this, confirm. And my most thing that I was watching was just to let the take profit open and not have a take profit. But I will just put it in like this now and leave it. This was just a trade to also show to you what I'm doing on this channel and what we are going to start doing. We are going to have some more trading sessions for now. So now I will show you why I did this. Let's go to the charts. As you can see right here, I had a trend line. So we started a new trend. So we had an uptrend that I look at, very short uptrend. I just look at short term, all right? And I will say why I took a long position and then I look for a bit more long term. But we have this move. So we go down and we stay above this support. This is a support of around 18,700, something like that. So what happens, I looked at the trend, and as we can see, we stay on the trend, on the trend, on the trend, on the trend. And what happened here, we broke to the trend line, we retest this, and we came back down. This was a very big opportunity to short. I missed that opportunity. But if I would be behind my charts, behind my mobile, to take the trade, I would have taken this one. As you can see, I put this trade position, and this was my take profit. And there is a big possibility that it's still gonna hit it. But I didn't took this trade. This is just a trade ID, trade opportunity. This doesn't mean that I always take it. But it was a very good opportunity. You can see also we went below, we touched it again, we couldn't get higher. We did a wick up to the 23K area, and then we just dropped, bam, down. Now we are consolidating a bit, and there's a big probability we will drop down more below. But what is the reason that I took a long position if I'm saying that it looks clear that we are going lower? Because you never know. If things looks too clear, you never know with Bitcoin or crypto. Everything is very tricky sometimes. So if we're still on the 1 hour chart, if we go back and we zoom out, we can see this place right here, you see? Resistance. It couldn't even get to the resistance. Resistance, resistance, resistance. Back down, resistance. And then we broke above. We stayed there. We took the resistance as support. We went higher to a new level of resistance that we have found at 24K. Then we dropped back down. And you can see this is almost half of this bull move is now the bear move. So around this level, if we stay above this, also looking here that it was always resistance and is now becoming support, if 21,700 stays support, in my opinion, we could take a long position. This is the reason why I took a long position. I wanted to take it at 21,700. But I didn't have the chance, I missed it. But if I would have taken that, I was in profit. As you can see, the lowest we went was 21,670. And my probability was 21,700. I should have put in an order, but I don't do that much because I like to watch price action and what it does. So this was the reason that I'm doing this. So you can say it's a gamble. No, it's a bit risky, but if this one pulls off, it can be very nice. So for now, it's just waiting and seeing if it gets broken, yes or no. Now you have to know, if we break this, the next level we will come at will be 20k. 100% sure we will hit 20k. So if we break this level and we would retrace a bit back up to 21,700, 21k, I would take a short position and this would be my take profit. I would put it at 20,500, something like that. I will share this if I take a short position, yes or no, in the future. All right. Now, the last thing I'm just going to show you very quick, if you have other questions, just let me know in the comments, all right, is the Bybit copy trading. So for everyone who's following this channel, I would appreciate it a lot if you use my referral link. Because if you use that and I see you are a new user, just send me immediately a comment or try to message me on Instagram. And if you send me a message, I will help you out with the copy trading, with the trading, and everything around that. Because you support the channel, you just use my link to sign up for free for Bybit, and I see that you have signed up through my link. You just send me a message and I will help you out. All right, I will show you the basics, I will answer your questions. This is just a way of exchanging value to each other, and you only have to use my link. You're probably gonna sign up yourself, so there's nothing special about that. The only thing you do is support me, and we have some bonuses about that for this channel. And I want to share this now already. Everything that will be earned through referral links on this channel will be shared again. A percentage with the community, with the YouTube, will be invested in YouTube, in the community, in the Discord that we are building, and the trading sessions, the money ways to make money online, everything about that. My Patreon group is also doing a rebrand. We're doing a rebrand for the Patreon group. We're doing new monthly subscriptions that's gonna come for everyone who wants to be a part, who wants to join, because I will be sharing a lot of value. There are a lot of reports, things that I am in, that I pay a lot of money for. I'm talking about like 2,000 a year, 3,000 a year. I have something of $8,000 a year that I already have paid for 2 years. And all those things will be shared in the Discord, in the community that we are building now. Normally, if everything goes right, from the 1st of the next month, 1st August, everything will be ready to join. So also let me know in the comments if you're excited to join this. I would love to help you people and bring something valuable to the crypto space, to the YouTube space, everything about that. This channel is everything about how to make money, life lessons, how can we fix ourselves, how should our mindset be. I'm gonna show a lot of value on this channel, that's a promise. All right, while we are now live on this, you can see BTC is crossing 21,619. We are going bearish right now. So it seems that my trade is going to take a loss for today. It seems like that. And you can see this trade opportunity that I have is going to hit take profit. There's a lot of volume coming in, and I'm seeing the price drop at least to this. And this was my price, 21,700, that we would come at least if we do not hold support there. As you can see, we touched the trend line there. We will go back lower to this 18,900. So keep that in mind. All right, put another alert right here and we will see what happens. Yes, create. Also, this copy trading, I started this 1 day ago, 1 day and a half ago. This is my net profit right now. I only had $50 in. I have put $150 again today. But for now, I had only $50, so I made 10% in less than 2 days. I will keep you updated how this goes, but this is insane what Bybit is offering. I have used Pionex, KuCoin, Huobi, Binance, Bitfavo. Which one did I use also? There are more than that I used, and this one is one of the best that I have used. I'm so happy that I found Bybit, and I'm very happy to share this with everyone because in my opinion, this is how an exchange should have to be. And this with the copy trading is just something next level. So I will share this in an upcoming video. Let me know in the comments if you're excited about seeing this, how this works, copy trading on Bybit, because it's something very interesting. Now, for all the people that are gonna sign up to Bybit, use my link in the description and let me know, send me a message. Let's do this together. We have lost some together, we are gonna win way more together. That's something for sure. So this was it for today. Let me know in the comments, what do you think? Will my stop loss get hit? What do you think is the next price target for Bitcoin and the crypto space? And what do you think is gonna happen more in the coming months? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to sign up to Bybit and let me know. Send me a message on YouTube, Instagram, and I will help you out as soon as possible. Alright, this was it for today. I hope to see you into the next one. Take care, everyone. Bye bye.